a leading Indonesian diversified mining and minerals processing company. Antam's operations are spread throughout Indonesia. Antam's businesses are vertically integrated, from exploration and mining, through processing, refining, and marketing of nickel, gold, silver, bauxite, and coal. As a diversified, integrated and export-oriented mining and metals company, Antam delivered strong performance in 2013. – 2013 was characterized as a year of challenges for the mining industry, including Antam. It was a year where Antam had to face the reality of low commodity prices coupled with slowing demand. In anticipation of these challenges, Antam took the strategic decision to increase its nickel ore and gold sales. In terms of nickel ore products, Antam's nickel ore sales hit a new company record in 2013. Whilst gold sales rose 34% over 2012. Antam also placed efficiency as its main priority to maintain the company's competitiveness. Furthermore, Antam also remained prudent in terms of capital spending for development projects, whilst continue to commit to growth. As a result of these initiatives, in 2013, Antam remained profitable despite the bearish environment of commodity prices. As a means to safeguard assets and to ensure decisions are made in the best interest of the company and its shareholders while operating as a good corporate citizen, Antam's success cannot be separated from the company's effort to carry out GCG principles. Antam's GCG practice adopts the leading industry standards such as ASX Corporate Governance Principles and Recommendations, ASEAN Corporate Governance Scorecard, guidelines on GCG from the National Committee of Governance Policy of Indonesia, and GCG implementation standard for Indonesian state-owned enterprises. Antam's investment for the future aims to ensure the company's sustainability as well as to give added value to the company's reserves. Among Antam's development milestones in 2013 was the commissioning of the Tayan chemical-grade alumina plant on October 28th of the year. In addition to the commissioning of the Tayan CGA plant, other milestones were associated with the expansion of the Pomala ferronickel plant project, the East Halmahera ferronickel project, the Mempawah smelter-grade alumina, and the nickel pig iron project. Antam also expanded the retail gold business through the opening of 5 retail chains in Jakarta, Surabaya, Makassar, Bandung, and Palembang. Despite the bearish commodity price environment, which resulted in a lackluster financial performance, Antam remains committed in carrying out environmental management and corporate social responsibility programs. Spending a total of 245 billion rupiah in 2013. In 2013, Antam continued to focus on environmental preservation practices. In the year, Antam's outstanding performance in managing and preserving the environment is reflected by the planting of 1.43 million trees. Year 2013 also marked the official termination of Antam's bauxite mining activities in Kijang, Riau Islands, the nickel mining activities in Gebe Island, North Maluku, and iron sands mining activities in Kutoarjo, Central Java. The successful termination of Antam's mining activities in these locations reflected Antam's good mining practices and served as a model for other Indonesian mining companies. Antam's corporate social responsibility program for 2013 was carried out to create self-sustaining local economies. The implementation of Antam's community development and partnership community stewardship programs were in the areas of improving the community, welfare, public infrastructure, education, public health, places of worship, and disaster management. Antam's CSR activities were carried out throughout the company's operations, as well as in post-mining areas such as Pomala, Tanjung Buli, Pongkor, Cikotok, Cilacap, Gebe, and other areas in Indonesia. Antam's community development initiatives have benefited the community through the improvement of the welfare of communities near the mining areas. To learn about the effectiveness of community empowerment programs, Antam conducted Community Satisfaction Index (CSI) surveys to measure the beneficiary satisfaction as well as to receive feedback for the corporate social responsibility program implementation. In 2013, the CSI scored 78.9%, reflecting satisfactory results.
Terkait dengan berbagai fasilitas-fasilitas umum, fasilitas sosial, fasilitas pendidikan yang telah dibangun oleh PT Aneka Tambang juga tentunya memberikan arti yang besar bagi masyarakat di Kijang ini. Dan ini mampu membangun semangat masyarakat di Kijang ini untuk tetap eksis dan terus membangun Kijang ini bersama pemerintah dengan program-program pasca tambang PT Aneka Tambang untuk menuju Kijang menjadi daerah yang lebih baik dan lebih maju ke depan.
Aneka Tambang dalam beroperasi di setiap tempat-tempat tambang, mereka selalu menjaga lingkungan, memperhatikan kehidupan masyarakat, sangat-sangat peduli kepada masyarakat sekitar, termasuk juga dalam rumah-rumah ibadah maupun sarana-sarana lain yang ada di lokasi-lokasi penambangan. Dan yang terakhir adalah reklamasi selalu tetap dilaksanakan oleh Aneka Tambang.
Khusus untuk di Kijang, saya kira apa yang dilakukan oleh Aneka Tambang akan menjadi sebagian contoh yang akan saya bawa kepada pelaku usaha tambang di Indonesia, khususnya terhadap aspek sosialnya dalam menerapkan kegiatan pertambangan menuju pasca tambang yang mengikuti kaidah dan azas keberlanjutan dan berwawasan lingkungan.
PT Antam Persero Tbk senantiasa berkomitmen untuk menjalankan usaha sesuai dengan prinsip-prinsip good corporate governance, best mining practice, dan industrial best practice meskipun di tengah kondisi dunia usaha yang sangat menantang. Di tahun 2014 dan tahun-tahun selanjutnya, kami akan terus berupaya memastikan adanya masa depan yang lebih baik dan berkelanjutan bagi kepentingan pemegang saham dan pemangku kepentingan.
The years ahead will be the beginning of a challenging period for Antams in consideration of commodity price uncertainty and the government policy of ore export ban, which will impact the company's cash. Nevertheless, the ban on export of raw materials and the general condition of the global mining industry in 2014 will inevitably affect Antam's financial performance. However, Antam will continue to succeed in creating significant value and expanding to realize its 2020 vision of becoming a global mining company with a healthy growth and world-class standards.